For most effective performance, you must clean the machine regularly. After each wash, gently wipe the body of the machine with a dry cloth. And if it's still not clean, then wipe it with a cloth soaked in water and soap solution. To clean the detergent dispenser, pull out the tray and lift it up to remove the detergent holder. Wash the dispenser housing and drawer with water to clean any traces of detergent. Once cleaned, reassemble the tray back in its original position. Impurities in water can clog the machine's filter over time, and to ensure proper water flow, you must clean both the inlet valve and the hose filter once a week. To remove the hose filter, simply rotate the water supply hose and pull it down. To remove the inlet valve filter, first you have to unscrew the fill hose from the machine, then gently pull out the filter, and wash it under a tap. Minerals and salts in hard water may form scales in the machine. To prevent this, you should manually clean the tub with scale gun. Press the power button to turn on the washer. Select Daily Program from the panel and choose Very High Water Level, and press the Start button. Now add scale gun into the wash drum. Close the lid and allow the machine to complete the cycle. To further prevent scale formations, you can add cal-free in your detergent before washing. You can also attach Cal-Straight accessory at the back of the machine. This magnetic water energizer also prevents scale formation and improves wash quality. You can order scale gun, cal-free, and many other accessories from our website. Due to environmental factors and human errors, the Stainwash Ultra may experience some functioning problems. In such cases, an error message will alert you instantly to the nature of the problem, and for each error there is a simple solution. If you find that your machine is not working at all, please ensure that there is power supply, and if power cord is properly plugged into the socket. Next, make sure that the power cord is intact, and that the lid is closed properly. In case of a drain error message, make sure that the drain pipe is not still hooked onto the machine. Then, check for any blockages in the drain hose. Also make sure that there are no kinks or sharp bends in drain hose and that it is not rising unevenly high from the floor. Lastly, make sure that the extension drain hose is not longer than 3 meters. If you hear any unusual noise during the wash, make sure that the impeller is not obstructed, and that there are no foreign objects inside the drum. Then, check that the machine is evenly placed on the ground. If you notice the detergent not being consumed properly, make sure the water pressure is not too low, and that you are using recommended detergents for top loaders. In case of low water pressure, spread the detergent equally inside the drum itself. And if the water is too cold, then pre-dissolve the detergent in warm water for better performance. To ensure your safety, the machine will not work when the lid is open. So make sure that before pressing Start button, the lid is firmly shut. If you hear a beeping sound and see this error message, it means that there is no, or very low water supply. If the problem still persists, check the water inlet pipe filter and the inlet valve filter for any blockages. If they are clogged, clean the filters under a running tap. If you see this error message, the supply voltage may be too low or too high. There's no need to worry. As and when the voltage becomes normal, the machine will resume automatically. Sometimes due to tangling of clothes or uneven flooring, there could be a balancing problem in the machine's drum. In such cases, the machine will attempt to resolve the issue by raising the water level. But if the problem persists, it will alert you. To solve this unbalance, first, make sure the washer is placed on an even floor. Next, open the lid, bring out the laundry and redistribute it evenly in the drum. Close the lid again and press Start button. In case this doesn't solve the problem, please call our service center. In case of a power failure during delayed wash, you will see this error message. This is only for your information and will not impact the wash process, which will resume automatically when power supply returns. Excess of soap suds can sometimes cause the machine to become overheated. Simply switch off the machine for 10 to 15 minutes, and wait for the suds to settle down. If the error persists, call your nearest Whirlpool service center.
Whirlpool, designed to delight.